What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlogs. Alright now, people, we are at York and University, but we're gonna be walking over to the Yonge line, lower Yonge. We're gonna be at right now. I'm just trying to show you guys. We're gonna probably walk from University, now from Yonge in front to the Eaton Center, and then we're gonna close it off over by Dundas Street and see what else we can capture. Alright, but I'm just doing all these downtown video so you guys could see a difference. Should be doing Harborfront next time I come back downtown Toronto. But right now, yeah, we just do up these nice little vlog going on. You see what people. So open to like, share, and subscribe for the 416 to 876 Jamaica. And look at this building right now, my people. This is Union Station building. This is like Asian days type of vibe. It'll give off, you know. That's why Jamaica now too want to preserve their old looking buildings, you know. Some of them fix them back up with the old type of style, but it's not the old type of style that really modern, but they make it look like it, you understand? So that's why Jamaica want to preserve, like look over Spanish Town. Over where the historical site is at with the government buildings and stuff like that, you understand? So it's the same thing they're trying to do. You know what? They got polar bears in the hotel. Like, what the fuck is going on here, bro? You got polar bears? But yeah, this is the downtown lifestyle, my people. Like, check it out. Like, the vibe, everybody's just vibing, no matter where. See that a Union Station, my people. If you want me to go on an in-depth look inside a Union Station one day, you let me know, because I think you could walk from Union Station, my people, all the way up to Yonge and Dundas with the in trails, the underground mall that lead all the way up there. Yeah, man. So if you don't want to hidden trails there, I can go in them hidden trails there one at a time. But all know me, I walk on the building can't do nothing, my people. We show you how big this building is, you know. Remember that, you know. This is the old downtown, my people. I'm still not reach Yonge Street yet. I want to go up Yonge, but I might have to go up Bay. But we're just there and I walk and I show you guys the vibe of Toronto in the summer. And I'll show you guys the entire area. You understand? Look at these buildings, the massive buildings, everything book out. Big SUVs, them renting out. Everybody are coming. This is the Royal York Hotel. I think I did a couple of photo shoots here too before. Like everything them are book out.
I know what confused me.
I'm book it out, you know. So body I do them photo shoot, video shoot, music video, everything down here. Like again, my people, if I walk underneath there, so that underground right there, so see them people that come from. I tell you can walk all the way from here all the way up to Eaton Center along this type of coast path. Again, over this is called Union Station. Yeah, man, and right now we're there front and Bay, and we're still trying to get to Yonge, because we're gonna go walk up Yonge, and when we reach Yonge and Dundas, we close it off and go on our next vlog over this. So. And again, my people, it's summertime, it's very hot outside, but everybody outside. We don't know my work already for you, my people, so now I'm just there, I go and watch the place and I show you guys what's going on. My body's gonna die in this vlogging camera. I'm not even bring the extra power pack feet, cha-cha. I never know some more I can never get this far, my people. Walk off milk with beer belly, you know. I need some food too. But yeah, check the building them out, like. And again, my people, I do videos for everybody who move out of the city, live back in the city, or just get banned from Toronto, people who get deported, all of them stuff there. So I do these videos for people who want to say what's new in the community, what's new in Toronto. If they ever want to move back to Toronto, you understand? So I do these videos for these type of people all around. So again, more house videos and my tea time talk. I will come back and stuff like that. So don't worry. Be dropping one a week, one tea time talk a week, one type of this video a week. And we might be dropping an extra additional video for the pain videos coming too also. So probably be dropping like a 4 video a week if it get down to that. But you're not getting views when people can't continue, right? So I need them to go over there and just like up the button them, share, like, and subscribe to the channel. You understand? Cause we are do the work. Look at this place over here. It's like a little resort type of vibe over there. So nice to go outdoor stripper, bring your girl and thing, you know, or your girl bring your man and thing and vibe out over there. So I'll come like as a people. I feel like I'm on vacation. I'm not gonna lie to you. Feel like a vacation I'm on downtown right now. Cause so much, the amount of things we do in our local time. Every day, so every single day. Cause remember in them places I pay big money for them type of spots there, you know. Rental, you know. Look at this. Look at this place, people. Look at this vibe. Can do a nice music videos like all over this so too, you know. Right there, so a down low shot. Even photo shoot can go on right there, so too. People when me do them video, I'm a scout, you know. Like I'm a location scout, you know, people. So when I go back over these videos, I'm like, yo, I did a video, you know, man. Can go watch it back and see which location we like, and I can probably go shoot there or whatever. You understand, my people? So yeah, again, my people, like, share, and subscribe to the channel, please. 416 to 876 Jamaica. At the end of the day, we are doing the right thing. You understand? We just put out content now, now put out work back to back. So right now, people, we just reached Yonge and Front Street. So we're gonna walk all the way up now to the Eaton Center, and then we just gonna close it off over by the Eaton Center. Like even inside, this is nice, you know. A Brook, what do you call it? Brookfield place. Let's go check that place out, just for the fun of it. Why not? And everybody out there drink, you know, my people. Don't get it twisted. Everybody have them look a shot of drink. Yeah, open that gate up for me. Blessings. Look at this place. I've never been here before either. Look at this. Look at this architecture. Look at that, people. Roots and all that stuff is here. Aki and all that stuff. I'm gonna walk. I wonder if I could. Oh crap! It's bigger than I thought. Gone all the way over this, but you want to walk on Yonge Street. I don't want to go over this, some people. Watch it. Wow. And again, people, as I told you, there's an underground mall in the city that a lot of people don't know about, that you can see. Alright, but I gotta do my research and see how far it extends to, and probably when I time them now, come back downtown, I will do that video for you guys. But yeah, this is the downtown right now, my people. And now people are on Yonge Street, and we're gonna walk up to Dundas. Show you the place. Look, if we have enough battery, we can do Eaton Center, and then we're probably gonna end off the vlogs for today after Eaton Center vlog, because I don't think we're gonna have enough power, and plus we're gonna have a charge upon me either. But this is downtown, my people. Like, wow, it's just a lot. It's just a lot, more than a lot right now to see and do in the city. Like again, my people, summertime, downtown is the place to be if you're in Toronto. Every day it's something else you can be down here doing. You don't have to worry. From you have money in your pocket, you cannot do something downtown. Be dead honest with you guys. A lot of places to walk, a lot of people to see, a lot of district, a lot of food places, a lot of club vibes. There's just a lot going on. You know what, people? We're not going to even do Dundas today, you know. I'll go walk Queen Street and give you guys Queen Street first. from Yonge and Queen to Bathurst and Queen, and give you guys all the Queen Street. Might have to just go in the Apple store and charge this up a bit, and then we'll just take on the journey again. That's what we might do. Subway, get some Subway, but let's add Subway already. So yeah, looks like they're building a next project coming also downtown. Look at these buildings, like, and people, some of these alleyways, some of them back street here, then lead up to a lot of different vibes, places where you can go chill out at too. But those are for our next video at the end of the day. Let's do what we can do right now, but we're gonna end this off when we reach up to Yonge Street, Yonge and Bloor. Not Bloor, not gonna go to Bloor today. That's for a different video. This is downtown. Showing you guys the vibe. If you ever come downtown and you don't know downtown and want to come walk the streets them, yeah man, people want to link up, we can do a vlog like this too, walk the streets, you know. Right now we're King and Yonge, and now you can say start get busy and busy and busier now. Need to get something to eat though. Need a sandwich, some bread, some carbs. For all this walking. Yeah. So I want to find a little sandwich place to go eat up the street from here. Still want a hot dog. You see the tunnel them? People, like I said, there's an underground mall. I have to show you guys one day. If anybody know about the underground mall, please comment below. Please, I'm begging you. I need to visit it one day. So right now, I'm just gonna continue our walk. Moors. You get your wedding outfits them here, your prom outfits. Yeah. Dear buildings, my people. That's buildings on top of buildings. Rock city we live in. We're gonna be an alley day in Yonge. Still have a lot more to walk up. Show you the Yonge strip right now. We're gonna do the other part of Yonge, and we might go even do some Yonge strip too, over Yonge and Shepherd area, and walk all the way to Finch. Cause over that side too, it's been developed in some nice buildings also. So it's just a lot of exploring to do at the end of the day, my people. Summertime, don't sit down up in your house. If you got time, you can walk out and visit all these different places downtown, different events them that's been keeping downtown, and just want a vibe. You know? Look at it. It's just a lot of different vibes downtown. Be a fast car to downtown, so you mind how you walk downtown. So our time now? Yeah. And the way them set up downtown, my people, every crooks and corner there's something keeping. You can't come downtown and buy McDonald's when you're hungry. No, sir. Downtown have so much different eating place to eat. For me, if I go buy a McDonald's, you'd be crazy, bro. But yeah, now we're gonna be closing up to Richmond. Back over here, some people. You know, summertime, like Crybana time, around us are full up of people. Around us, the McDonald's, when club them time, them used to done a club time. And I don't know, some man no money like that, so we need that drive, so we have to walk over to the Yonge Street. Yonge I'm there on right now. We get the Yonge bus them for go up to Eglinton. You understand? Even Eglinton and Yonge is a dope area to walk out to, you know. I go do that one at a time. It's like all these little strips. Go around my back alley them round so where nobody don't really know about. A lot of things go on in them alley there. A lot of different little bars and pubs. They're around there too still. So if you guys want to see some videos like that, we can walk it out too also. But like we say, this one now we just walk up to Yonge and Dundas and show you the end of that part, then see if we can get some food first, charge up this camera, and see if we can just walk back and get back some more footage again while we walk back to the car. So yeah, it's just a lot to do when you're just downtown Toronto. Like, can't give up downtown Toronto for nowhere. And I hope say, and that's what this is the same feeling me get when I'm downtown Kingston too, you know. But the fear of somebody might have grab out a camera or want to do something towards you, make you just feel away for downtown Jamaica. You understand? At the end of the day, so you just don't want that to happen. So I'd rather just feel safer in a Toronto to do that more than downtown Kingston. Although I like it still, nobody not trouble me. I'm not give him no reason to trouble me. And the vlogger them, please not give them no reason for them trouble me also, you understand? But I love if downtown Jamaica can do this, you know? On a Kingston side. Remake up at the old building them like what them I do right now. We furnish them and stuff like that. I want to make a new video called the gentrification of Jamaica, you know. The ghettos, them soon let down all of them ghettos. They hear my people? I'll tell them that straight. I'm going to rebrand the ghettos, my people. So, that's a code. Can't go and wait, it'll come. It'll come right now. Tower Hill is the first place I'm going to lick down. So this is where I'm going to walk Queen Street, my people. Because it's all blocked off. So I can just walk, go down so and do the right thing. But right now we're at Queen and Yonge Street. There's a hospital over there. And the famous eating center is on the left. But we're not going to do eating center right now. We're going to walk up to Queen, Yonge and Dundas. Where the famous spot is where everybody more wants to chill out at and vibe out at. And yeah. Check it all out. Just getting a lot of footage today. We're gonna go enter the mall next. The eating center. I don't know why people always hide from the camera like we all look upon them. Like we care if we look upon them. Sure. Camera don't care about you, you know. Remember that, you know. Today I get the street. People miss. Back in the days, them time, only for me and my bridging them just walk the streets together, just a vibe out on the street, you know. Yeah man, play with music, all of them things pick up girls and things like that. That's like 10 years ago though. Things and time change, you know. Remember back in the days, you know a guy named Kamikaze Juice. He used to out here a lot promoting his CDs, Tory Lanes. Used to out at the Yonge and Dundas a lot. I promote and I sell him a CD them in rhymes and Tory Lanes. Remember the history, man. No, come on now, man. Far people I come from. You know, again, my people. Lots of little pubs, bars, and high quality people. Them when them go and them high quality, high fashion are better than some of we. Yeah, man. The vibes is downtown, my people. This is the famous eating center. We're gonna capture that just now, but not right now. We're gonna walk up to Yonge and Dundas first and show you the environment. I always have some people that sell some black history stuff. Nah, Bashem, right over here, some people used to be a Ritz. I used to have lunch special over there, you know. But look like them closed down the Ritz from over here. Probably the bill was too high Cause them places are prime location, my people. You can rent these type of areas down here, you know. Yes, you can rent it, but your money have to be tall and large. Nah, gonna lie to you. Your money have to up for rent them type of location, these type of spots. Downtown prime locations must be crazy. You must be crazy out your mind. But yeah, we keep on walking. We're gonna get a sandwich up the road and call it a day. Urban Outfitters. See them big pan them pride thing, you know. Remember that, you know. Them have them pride parade. Again, my people, if you want me go shoot the pride, you know, say. Me just go do it because of Canada, but I go shoot the pride parade. If people want to feel how you, then feel how you. We are go down there and show the people I'm subscribe and I'm subscribe. I show off what Canada offer and a 416 to 876 Jamaica. We show what Jamaica for offer, show what Canada for offer. Sometimes we just mix up it. You understand? Now go be biased. No more. She walk like she a model. Nice to go to a pretty girl. Down in the line. So like a renovation I go on the building and stuff. I have to set up like scaffolding. But yeah, these places been here. At Burger King, that's one of the next spot them always come to. If the McDonald's still closed. So when McDonald's closed, you know, so they are Burger King, I would like what's it? Them time the money not running like that. And if we not lick one of them, you know what we buy? I buy 2 street dog. Yeah man. A 2 street dog we are born and eat and call it a day and move on. Reach our yard. Papa has always been there too. There's some new food place there I never seen before. What that name? Iraq or whatever. Type of food place look like you're busy. All that. Grab and go. Let me see the grab and go sandwich. I'm like to try new things too, you know. Not chicken in that. Meat more. Like that. Only $7.99. Don't think I might type of thing that, you know. Today is what? Saturday? Or restaurant this? Mixed restaurant again, yeah, so. Like restaurant everywhere down here. Look, my people, this is Yonge and Dundas. With it right now. And look like an event is going on. So no matter which part I sit here, them people, there's always something going on. Look at this. That's look at this. I have to go get something to eat.
Put your hands up, let's go!
Police them out and about. People them out. I don't know if it's a paid event. Some more kind of thing I go on. I want to see if I can walk in, because I have a wristband. I don't know if that will work over here too. But you can't get bored at Toronto. And look like it's a free event too, my people. So we're going to go vlog. We're going to show you what it has to offer.
How many people here are immigrants?
And now, only immigrant, yeah, immigrant.
How many people are immigrants?
All of we.
How many people came from immigrants?
All of us.
Everybody's hand should be up because none of us own this land.
Yeah, all right. Let them know that. Let them know that.
We're all immigrants.
We're all
Celebrating
immigrants.
This beautiful country. They're gonna take
Thank you for telling them. Thank you. I didn't want to tell them. But this is Yonge and Dundas Square, my people. And this is the main area
Hello,
where
good afternoon
everybody
everyone.
comes.
How are you doing?
It's like they're doing an Indian fest.
Well, we are Desi Riff, and today we'll take you all to a journey.
Okay, I'm do some
an
Indian thing over here, some
we
people.
all are immigrants, and you know.
Yeah, tell them again.
this
Keep on
journey
telling
through our
them,
songs,
say.
You will feel
Tell them already we're all immigrants, but them not believe we. 5, 6, 7, 8. I have a couple other food places. The sandwich thing. local vibes, cups them out. And this is Yonge and Dundas Square. And like I said, it's summertime. There's always something going on down here. I think I know that girl, you know. I like how they set up that little thing too. People creative, you know. Oh, this is Yonge and Dundas Square, my people. Check him out. This is the vibe right here. All the different cultures, all of that, just right here. No bias thing, no idiot, no stress from nobody. I'm gonna walk up this street though. And yeah. So yes, so people, we're gonna end off the vlog right here for the Yonge Street, South Yonge Street strip. I'm gonna probably call this Yonge and Dundas, our Yonge Street strip walkthrough, something like that. But you don't see, so we do it. And we just gonna get some food to eat. And one thing we like with the strip here too, you know, them have this little four-way walk across right here, where you can just walk all over. Half a tree, you need to implement this. Yeah, cause I'm too busy. Obviously, I need to get something like this. Nah, I'm gonna lie to you. Yeah, man. But I'm gonna show you guys up to the local eatery area where them have. And then we're gonna end off the video right there. Cause I need to get, wait, Shake Burgers. Shake Shack. Is it open? I never tried one of those burgers before. I think we're gonna go try one of them Shake Shack burgers. I think I gotta go try a Shake Shack burger, my people. Something different, but I just want to eat something different for today. But we're gonna walk up to the new eatery place so them have not new. It's been there. And see what we can get. The last time we get Dave's hot chicken. It's okay, but we don't want that today. Just want something we can say, yeah, that's our code. But this is the downtown lifestyle, my people, and that's Yonge and Dundas, New Jersey. I try to go in from a different perspective that we not get from other people. And you don't know my advice over them, you know. Them the regular, you know, them the normal at the end of the day. But this is the new eatery place also. Hopefully I get copyright by, if you not hear me by the music no more, my people, because the music is playing. But yeah, check this place out. I haven't had a Philly cheesesteak in a long time, and I might just grab one still. Hopefully still tastes like a Philly cheesesteak. But this is the eatery place they have down here that you can forward to. I might grab Philly cheesesteak. Yeah, I might just grab that still. I just want something different. I can't bother wait for my friend him come down here no more. So this is what they have. These places are closed right now. But I don't know. I might just grab a Philly cheesesteak. What do you think? Put in a comment below next time. But I'm gonna grab a Philly cheese and go on what? Jerk chicken what? $5? Oh, $7.99. Oh, over here, so sandwich. Oh man, Philly cheese steak. I think we're gonna grab a Philly cheese from people and see how good that is. So everybody, bless upon yourself. 416-876 Jamaica. I'm out.